To fix money not showing up in the Venmo app, it is essential to understand the possible reasons behind this issue. The money may not be showing up due to a pending transaction, incorrect account information, or a technical glitch. First, check your Venmo account balance to see if the money is pending or has been transferred to the wrong account. Ensure that your account information, including your email address and phone number, is up to date and correct. Next, verify that the sender has a sufficient balance in their Venmo account to complete the transaction. If the sender's account balance is insufficient, the transaction will not be completed, and the money will not show up in your account. Another possible reason for the money not showing up is that the transaction is still processing. Venmo transactions typically take a few minutes to complete, but they can take longer in some cases. To resolve the issue, try restarting the Venmo app or checking your account balance on the Venmo website. You can also try contacting Venmo customer support for assistance. They can help you identify the issue and provide a solution to fix it. It is also essential to ensure that your device and the Venmo app are updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause technical glitches that may prevent money from showing up in your account. In addition, check your bank account to see if the money has been transferred to your bank account instead of your Venmo account. If the money is in your bank account, you can transfer it back to your Venmo account. To prevent this issue from happening in the future, make sure to regularly check your account information and transaction history. This will help you identify any potential issues before they become major problems. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of money not showing up in the Venmo app. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and monitor your transaction history to avoid any potential issues.